In this section, we're going to create a page to display our blog posts. So here we are, we've got our front page, and we've got all of our other pages. If we go to the back end, you can see we've now got 3 posts, 1, 2, 3. So what we need to do is create a page to display these posts in. I know it sounds a bit confusing, but stick with it. So if I go to Pages, Add New, you can call this anything you want, but for simplicity I'm going to call it Blog. Oops. And I'll just simply leave it empty. So I've published this page called Blog, and this is going to be the page that will display our posts. Now there's a couple of things we have to do first. Firstly, we go to Settings, Reading, and remember early on in the course we went and set the home page as the home page for the website. What we now need to do is to set a home page to display our posts. So I've just created this page called Blog. So what this means is that we're using these settings to display this as the home page for the entire website, and this page here called Blog is going to be the page that will display our posts. So we go and save our changes. So we've now specified the page to display the blogs. We've created the page. The next step is to go to Appearance, Menus, and what we do is we add this to the menu. I'll move up slightly so it looks like that. So if I click on where it says Save Menu, then I go to the front end. I've now got this page over here called Blog, and if I go and click on that, what this does, it displays little snippets of these posts I've created, and they're displayed in reverse chronological order. So if I went and created a new blog post, that would be displayed at the top. You know, I'd have 4 of them. So this was the first one I created, then the next one, then the next one. So what's displayed is the most recent one. If I go and click on this, sure enough, there's the latest blog, the March blog. Notice we've got these links down here. So at the moment we're looking at the March blog. There we go, March. So if I go down here, that will take me to the February one, and if we go down to the bottom of the February one, we could either go to the January one or indeed the March one. So let's go to the January one. Or alternatively, I could click on the blog page here and go directly to whatever blog I wanted. And there we go. So that's how you set up a blog within your website. And again, if you check out my SEO course, you'll find that blogs are very useful from an SEO point of view. So ideally what you should do is have your website with a blog like this embedded within the website. If I go back here, there is an annoying little thing which WordPress does. It says uncategorized, and that kind of looks a little bit sort of stupid. So we're going to fix this in the next chapter.